this is Kaylin. Welcome to another video in the Orion TI-84 Plus Talking Graphing Calculator series. In this video, I will be providing you with the link to purchase your Orion TI-84 Plus calculator and any replacement parts you may need throughout the course of owning this device. When purchasing the Orion calculator itself, you will be provided with the calculator, which includes both the Texas Instruments portion and the Orion module, which is added to the top of the calculator in order to make it have talking capabilities, effectively making it accessible to the blind. This Orion module fits seamlessly onto your calculator and can only be removed by undoing a series of screws. You will not have to remove it unless you experience technical difficulties, in which case I will cover how to fix those in other videos. Now, within this Orion module, you will be provided with a Orion module battery, and you will likely also be provided with a replacement battery for this calculator. Also, in your purchase, you will have a cover which fits seamlessly over this calculator. That includes both, again, the TI-84 and the Orion module portions, meaning that a regular TI-84 calculator cover will not fit this accessible model. In your purchase, you will also be provided with a charging cable, which is mini USB to USB-A. While these can be purchased on Amazon, it is pretty much a similar price to purchase them from the Orbit website directly. Now, any of the replacement parts I have previously mentioned, that includes the calculator's case, which is called a back cover on the website, your charging cable, and your batteries for the Orion module can all be purchased on the Orbit website separately. While the batteries are quite expensive at $49, that includes shipping, the charging cables and cases or back covers are relatively inexpensive. Now, you will also require to have 4 AAA batteries to power your calculator. These will likely not be shipped with the device, so you will need to purchase these from another website. Again, AAA batteries are very common and are available in most stores, notably Target or Amazon, and you will need to replace these batteries relatively often. The calculator will show you that you need the batteries when it stops talking or stops working. If you have replaced them and then it's still not talking, then that is a separate issue, which again I cover in a video where I show you how to replace the batteries, and then another video where I cover how to diagnose your calculator not speaking despite the actual calculator portion working and the screen activating. So thank you so much for listening, and I hope this link is helpful. I would also recommend that as you are looking for these devices, browse the Orbit website. Orbit is an amazing company that makes great technology for the blind, and I happen to own several of their other devices that are definitely super useful and improve my quality of life and access to online content. So please browse, and thank you so much for watching.